Norway imports over 50% of its food. Only 3% of its land is arable, and its growing season lasts between 3 and 8 months. I'm Matek. I grew up in New York City, and now I live in Oslo. I studied vertical farming under Dickson Despommier, the ecologist who first proposed growing food in skyscrapers. That idea never left me. Oslo's groceries are dominated by a handful of chains, limiting competition and keeping prices high. Groceries here cost as much as in New York City, and most of Norway's food travels thousands of kilometers before it reaches your plate, degrading flavor, nutrition, and freshness. The result is a food system that's expensive, dependent, and fragile. Ulvenhagen is a community garden located in eastern Oslo, situated between Highway E6 and the industrial areas of Alnabru. I have 2 garden boxes, each about 2.5 meters long. Beets, shallots, carrots, chives, beans, and tomatoes, most of it in the ground for the first time. These 2 beds are where Matek grows begins, not because soil farming is the answer to Norway's food problem, but because I think you have to understand the old way before you can build something better. Every crop I plant here, every frost that cuts the season short, every limitation the soil throws at me, that's information. And that information is going to shape what I build next. Matek Grows is the journey from these garden beds to a fully functional, AI-assisted vertical farming system, built in Oslo, documented from the beginning in public. I don't have it built yet, but I know why I'm building it, so stick around.